In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Basecamp with Todoist. We'll use Zapier, a simple automation tool that connects your apps so they work together in the background. The basic idea is this. Something happens in Basecamp. That's your trigger. And Zapier uses that event to create something in Todoist. That's your action. This saves you from copying tasks by hand and helps keep your to-dos organized in one place. Start by going to Zapier and signing in. From your dashboard, begin a new automation called a Zap. Zapier will guide you to connect the apps you want to use, so choose Basecamp and Todoist and authorize each connection. You'll see a secure window from each service asking you to allow access. Approve it so Zapier can read a to-do in Basecamp and create a task in Todoist on your behalf. Next, choose your trigger in Basecamp. A great starting point is New To-Do. This means that whenever a new to-do is added in the Basecamp project you select, Zapier will catch it. You may be asked to pick the specific Basecamp account and the project where these to-dos live. This keeps the automation focused and prevents unrelated items from flowing into Todoist. Now set the action in Todoist. Select Create Task. This tells Zapier exactly what to do when that Basecamp trigger fires. You'll choose the Todoist account and, if prompted, the destination project where new tasks should appear. Keeping a dedicated project can make it easier to review everything that originated from Basecamp. With the trigger and action in place, map the fields so information lands correctly. Map the Basecamp to-do title to the Todoist task name. If your Basecamp item includes a due date, map that to the Todoist due date field. Todoist accepts natural language like tomorrow or a specific date, but passing a clear date from Basecamp keeps things consistent. You can also map the description to the task description or comments so extra context travels with the task. Before turning anything on, run a test. Zapier will pull a recent to-do from Basecamp and try creating a matching task in Todoist. Check Todoist to confirm the task name, due date, and description look right. If something's off, adjust your field mapping and test again. When you're happy with the result, enable the Zap. From now on, every time your chosen Basecamp trigger happens, Todoist will automatically create the corresponding task. That's it. Hands-free, reliable, and ready to scale with your workflow.